Hi guys, today's video we're going to check out the 5 best Rearview Mirror Dash Cam on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on rating, review, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the products shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews video from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Number 4. EACE Rearview Mirror Dash Cam. The EACE Rearview Mirror Dash Cam is a sleek and advanced vehicle camera that offers safety and convenience. Its sleek design, built-in IPS screen, and high-definition camera ensure smooth and detailed video capture. The camera supports loop cycle recording, overwriting older footage with new ones, and audio recording for comprehensive visual and auditory recordings. The dash cam supports up to 128 GB of storage via a Class 10 memory card and comes with a 6-meter rear camera cable for flexibility. Its user-friendly touchscreen interface and 16:9 screen ratio provide an optimal viewing experience. The cam operates within a wide temperature range and is powered via corded electric connection. It comes with a 365-day warranty ensuring product durability and support. The dash cam is designed to fit various vehicle types and offers a reliable and user-friendly solution for capturing your journey. Number 4. AZDOME Rearview Mirror Dash Cam. The AZDOME Rearview Mirror Dash Cam is a versatile and functional device designed to enhance safety and convenience on the road. It features a large 10-inch IPS display with a 16:9 screen ratio, allowing for easy navigation and settings adjustment. The camera quality is impressive, with a GC2053 imaging sensor capturing video in 2560x1440 resolution. The camera has a 150-degree wide-angle lens for comprehensive coverage. The dash cam records videos in AVI format using the H.264 video codec, ensuring clear footage and optimized storage space. It also features a G sensor for automatic collision detection and a rear camera for simultaneous recording. The cam is waterproof and anti-fog, ensuring reliable performance in various weather conditions. It supports up to 128 GB of external memory and comes with a 1-year warranty. Number 3. Podofo Rearview Mirror Dash Cam. The Podofo Rearview Mirror Dash Cam is a safety and monitoring device that offers comprehensive coverage of both front and rear views. It features an LCD display, a touchscreen, a 4:3 screen ratio, an extensive view angle, and high-definition recording at 1280x720. The device comes with a built-in rearview mirror, supports up to 32 GB external memory, and has a single lens setup for easy installation. The OSD language supports multiple languages, and the AVIN interface allows connectivity with other devices. The device is C certified, suitable for various vehicle types, and operates within a wide voltage range of 7V to 32 volts. It offers both vertical and suction cup stand options for different mounting preferences. Number 2. Gmaioxo Rearview Mirror Dash Cam. The Gmaioxo Rearview Mirror Dash Cam is a versatile device that offers both front and rear monitoring capabilities. It features a dual camera setup, high-resolution video capture, night vision capability, a 9.88-inch IPS display, a touchscreen interface, loop cycle recording, a built-in battery, audio recording, and up to 128 GB of external memory. The camera is designed as a rearview mirror assembly, ensuring a sleek and unobtrusive appearance. The front camera captures video at 1920x1080 resolution, while the rear camera enhances situational awareness. The dash cam also has night shot function for low light conditions, maintaining visibility and clarity even at night. The device also supports up to 128 GB of external memory, making it suitable for Class 10 vehicles. The manufacturer is Gmaioxo, a trusted brand in mainland China, known for innovative automotive accessories. Number 1. OBDPEAK Rearview Mirror Dash Cam. The OBDPEAK Rearview Mirror Dash Cam is a high-performance, advanced device designed to enhance your driving experience. It features a dual camera system with ultra-high resolution, a large IPS display, built-in screen and touch functionality, loop cycle recording, audio recording, wide dynamic range, automatic white balance, and a G sensor for preserving critical footage. The dash cam also supports Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity and features anti-surge voltage impact protection, anti-fog coating, anti-vibration design, and waterproof construction. It supports up to 128 GB of external memory via Class 10 micro South Dakota TF cards and GPS logger compatibility for accurate tracking of your vehicle's location and speed. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.